how to fix Spotify login loop problem. If you've been on an endless loop constantly whenever you're trying to log into Spotify through the app or the website, so here in my case I'm on the website version. If I go to the login page, normally if I enter my email and I hit the continue button and then enter my code, whatever else it is, I should be able to log in, or I could also log in using a password in this case and hit the login button over here. But if I'm on a constant loop and it is not letting me log in, there could be various reasons. First of all, make sure your credentials are correct. If you're using your email username, make sure you have access to that email or the phone number. In case you forgot your password, you can select the option to reset your password. You can clear the cache and data of your app. If you're using on browser, click the three dots from the top right hand side followed by settings. On the left hand side, go to privacy and security and go to delete browsing data. Then select cache images and files and select the delete data button to try to do that, and refresh Spotify to see if that helps you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.